Here's the two boys. It's their 6-month birthday today. April 27, 2010. Somebody's excited. Are you excited, Aiden? Corbin, are you excited, Corbin? Daddy didn't do that. Are you excited, Corbin? Are you? What about Aiden? I bet Aiden's excited, isn't he? Yes, he is.
And we're about to eat their first food.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Yum. Okay. Here comes the first bite. Zooming in on his face.
You ready?
What's that? What's that?
Did you like it? Yeah?
I guess he likes it.
You gonna try?
Yay!
You try second
likes
bite?
it. Get some. Ah.
Corbin.
Corbin's opened his mouth already. Yeah, he is.
Did you like that?
Okay.
Alright, now it's time for your brother to have a few bites. Hold on.
Here, Mommy. And this is little Corby's first little bite. Oh, don't take it out of Daddy's hand, please. That wouldn't be very good. You ready? Is that good? You like it?
Yeah?
You like some more? Daddy's got the dum-dum. You like that? Is it yummy?
Yeah? Good. We're gonna go now so we can feed you. But this was your first bites. Carrots. On April 27th, your 6-month birthday. Happy 6-month birthday. Don't look so scared. It's just a camera. Alright, I love y'all. Bye.